Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you go cyclohexane with methyl group. You are reacting with hydrazine with sulfur derivative. Then you are using the base and heating it up. You have to find what will be the final product. Here you are using the base and hydrogen is there. In hydrogen, the hydrogen is acidic there. So base subtract the proton, you have the anion. Sulfur systems are most of the time good leaving group under the heating condition. So sulfur eliminates, you have continuous azo bond. Then the nitrogen is the good leaving group, but the nitrogen leaves from the same carbon, leads to the carbene formation. It's an important carbene reactant. So carbene is there, it has to be quenched. Carbene quenched by the insertion reaction form the alkene there. The concept you outline here is hydrazine with leaving group at high temperature form the carbene. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.